Hi, I am Karthik and I am here to give a report on why are we going to use a guided wave radar level gauge for petrol tank farm vessel level. So firstly I would like to tell the technological explanation how it works. So the guided wave radar level is based on microwave technology. So it is situated at the top which gives the microwave which releases the microwave and which get reflected through the level through the surface of liquid, and after being transmitted it detects the transmitted wave and we get to know how much is the level of the fluid in the tank by knowing the time which it took to transmit. So basically microwaves are only affected by materials that reflect energy, which means the temperature variation, dust, pressure and viscosity do not affect the accuracy of microwave, so the transmission will not be a problem, and the level is directly proportional to the time domain reflectometry. Now some of the components of guided level transmitter are uh, it typically it is typically equipped with flexible cable or rigid probe type antenna which is corrosion resistant, which helps in low maintenance or low service. And we use stainless steel and titanium for the sensor that protrude into container from above, so it will be easy for us for low maintenance. And radar level transmitter can be installed horizontally with sensors adjusted to 90-degree angle. Now this was some of the technological advances or how the radar level works. Now why only radar? What are the other available sensors and why are we not using that? Other available sensors are ultrasonic level sensor, capacitive level type sensor, right? But ultrasonic, when we see the working principle, it is quite similar to ultrasonic, but radar level. But the many fuels like petrol, they are highly volatile, which will form a thick vapor, which makes it difficult for ultrasonic sensor to provide a reliable reading, which may affect its accuracy and precision. And when we come to capacitive level type transmitter, it is more difficult to measure in capacitive level type transmitter than resistance. So again, the environmental conditions like humidity will also affect there. Now this was some genesis of why using our specification of radar level, how it works, other available options, and why are we rejecting that. Now, what type of oil can radar level measure? The reflection principle of microwave signal to measure the height of liquid, which has the advantage of high accuracy, good stability, and is not affected by nature of medium, which I explained it earlier. Why it doesn't affect? Because it doesn't get affected by dust and all that, because microwaves don't get affected by that. The radar level meter can accurately measure the height of petroleum in petroleum storage tanks, which helps managers to understand the petroleum storage capacity in the tank and take corresponding measure in time. Now, need of radar level in petrol tank. If a radar level meter is installed in petroleum storage tank, by monitoring the change of petroleum level in real time, the petroleum leakage or tank flow can be found in time to ensure that there is safe operation and there is no overflow or leakage. Secondly, a radar level meter can also measure the lubricating oil or grease and other industrial oils. So, in time we can know if there is sufficient lubricating or insufficient, which will help in maintenance, right? Now, the choices we have are Rosemount 5300 level transmitter, uh, and other two are Rosemount 3300 level transmitter and Rosemount 3308 level transmitters. All three are wireless, um, but when we look at the pricing and specification, the most appropriate according to the report and specification, I think, is Rosemount 5300 level transmitter, which I took from new.abb.com, which are the source for my information.